All right, so today I have this right here. Whoop, give me one second. The Four Roses 21-year anthology. As you can see, it's open, and it just was released today at the distillery. This is a single barrel product, which is really interesting because, obviously a lot of Four Roses are single barrels, but this was all vatted. So they would put it in stainless steel tanks to stop the aging because they believed that it has already met their criteria for what's a good bourbon. So it was put in vats, I think, 2 or 3 years ago. This was distilled in 2002, aged 21 years. So that puts you at 2023 for 2026. So it's been in a stainless steel vat for 3 years. This one is 51.7% alcohol and is a tier 3. All right. And I have the fancy display right here. Comes in this cool little box. This is magnetic. It opens like so. It's kind of hard to open. It's a little goofy. Like that. And it has a little tray. See, it's kind of hard to open it. You get the tray out at the bottom. And this is cypress from the fermentation process from the cypress tanks that were used to make this bourbon. Right. So we'll put it over here. It's a little bit big. Sorry for the weird setup. I'm at my brother's house. We're in the process of like moving and such. So gotta do what I can do. And this is, I'm trying to find the yeast strain. I think this is a, if I'm not mistaken, is it a V? No, it's OBSF. So FE strain. Go ahead and give it a nose. Wow, that's surprisingly like really dark fruity. Yeah, it's not really oaky smelling. Go and give it a taste. It definitely tastes oaky. Yeah, it's really tannic, very drying. Coats your mouth pretty well. Like I said, what is this? 100 and it's barely over 100 proof. So I mean, it's an easy drinker. What's bad is I like really old bourbon. I just think this is a little over oaked. Maybe like 2 years, but what do I know? I'm not the one that put in a stainless steel vat and let it sit for 3 years before I decided what to do with it. Go ahead and give it another try. I mean, it's pretty good, but it's just, like I said, it's really oaky. You have to like really oaky, really tannic bourbons. And I'm surprised, even being 100 proof, there's a lot of ethanol in this. Usually with like the aging process, the longer they're aged, the less ethanol you get. This is very, very ethanol-y. Maybe some of the other single barrels, they may not have this much ethanol, but I mean, it's going to take some acclimation to get used to this. It might open up to be a little bit better. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's pretty good bourbon, but for like $550 is what I paid for it. It's kind of a little bit of a letdown. Well, I hate to crap on a new release, but that's why the channel's David Drinks Dusties. I'm David, I like to drink Dusties, and this just isn't for me. You have a nice day.